That is, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. This is a one sentence. And the another sentence, he is running out of fuel. I mean, he was driving a car and he is running out of fuel right now. So here subject is he, and the rest of the part of the sentence is predicate. So is a teacher is as a predicate, and here subject he, and is running out of fuel. All of it is called predicate. Okay, so here we can again know a lot of thing about the parts of sentence, that a sentence includes two parts. One part is subject and the rest of the part is predicate. Okay, so now let me tell you about transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb which have some objects, okay, which have some object or the some words, some duty of that verb. So transitive verb obviously must have object, must have object. Intransitive verb, okay, here have intransitive verb has no object. Okay, so transitive verb must have object. Okay, must have object, at least one object. But intransitive verb has no object. Here, no, has no object. Suppose let me put it down some examples regarding transitive verb and intransitive verb, like he likes flowers. Okay, who likes flowers? He likes flowers. So here we can see that what does he like? The question, okay, what does he like? If I ask the question regarding the sentence, then obviously the answer will, he likes flowers. So flowers here is the object, right? So verb like, here like is a verb and the object of this verb is flowers, and that's why the like here is okay, the like here is transitive verb, right? So transitive verb must have object. So there is an object, and what is the object? Is flowers. Okay, so that's why like is called transitive verb. But if there is no object, then it would be intransitive verb. Suppose the door of my house opens automatically. Okay, okay. So this example is very important. Okay, so let me point it out that how important it is. Here the part of the sentence that the door of my house opens automatically. So the question is, here verb is open, and what kind of verb is this? Is it transitive? Is it intransitive? Okay, so let me find it out for you guys, that whether it is transitive or intransitive. So transitive verb must take object, and intransitive verb must not take any objects. So here opens means you know very well. So open, here the verb open, and open takes any kind of object here. I mean after the word open, after this verb, is there any kind of noun? Is there any kind of noun? No, there is no not any kind of noun. So there is a word. This is a true thing, but the word, we have to look at the word, that what is the parts of his piece. Okay, so automatically, is it a noun? No, it's not a noun, because we can know, and we know it very well, that if there is a syllable of ly, here ly. Okay, so if the word takes the prefix of ly, then it is normally adverb. It is normally adverb. So there is a ly syllable, or ly prefix, not prefix. Prefix stands before the word, and suffix stands after the word. So here ly after the word, there is a suffix ly. So that's why from ly we can know that it is not a noun, it is adverb. So if there is no any kind of noun after the verb, then it is not transitive verb. It is obviously intransitive verb. But flowers is a naming word. Okay, flowers is a one kind of name of something. That's why it is noun, and that is why here like is called transitive verb. And opens, after this verb there is no noun. Okay, so noun, if there is no noun, then it cannot be transitive, it must be intransitive, because we know intransitive verb has no object, and to be object, one word must be noun. Okay, this is important. So here is the here's the all details, pros and cons about transitive verb and intransitive verb. So let me give you another example regarding this. That is he. Okay, that is we must help poor people. We must help poor people. Okay, here we find the verb is help, because help is a word that expresses the action of something. Okay, so help, after the verb help, is there any word? Yes, there are two words. One word is poor, and the other word is people. So poor and the people. So we have to find out that, is there any noun? Yes, there is noun. People is a noun, is a plural noun. Okay, people is a plural noun, and the poor modifies the noun. Here noun for people, so this word is noun, and this word is modified the word poor, and only adjective modifies the noun. That is why it is adjective, and the word modify the noun is called adjective. So poor modifies the people here. So how are the people? Poor people. Okay, how are the people? Poor people. So here people is a noun and poor is an adjective. So there is a noun. Okay, there is a noun after the verb. So this verb must be transitive verb. Okay, and the next one, it helps. third person singular number, that's why there is a s, because singular number, singular subject, singular verb. So this is the common theory.